Guys, we've got one slick Copperhead 60 rolling out of shop today. This one going on man Kevin. Let's check out Kevin's rig here. First off, we've got our 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer, propane powered, sets your propane tank on the ground. Got your fryer ready to go. Hey, smoked fried chicken wings, do some fries, hush puppies in this bad boy, knocks it out of the park. As you can see, it is mounted on our off-road package. We got the upgraded wheels and tires, of course. Now guys, the Copperhead, that is our octagon design. You got copper accents as far as the eye can see. So this is our 60-inch model, 60 inches wide, 24 inches deep. We've got bottom and top sliding trays here. Got your complimentary fire poker, of course. Now on this tray, I've got our El Camal griddle top. I'll show y'all what that's for here in a minute. So like I mentioned, this is a reverse flow smoker. We got removable reverse flow plates down here. That directs the heat all the way across, back out of the stack. Kevin did upgrade to the stainless steel front shelf. Come around to our hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here. Come on, guys, y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space. America's birthday, just because we love America. All right, slide this out. Underneath this bottom tray, we have got a removable plate with daisy wheels. So what that allows you to do is regulate the temperature in here independent from the smoke chamber. You can also pull that whole plate out of there and get direct fire. Come around to the firebox. He did upgrade to our insulated firebox. We've got our fire management cradle in there still. Slides out. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. One more thing around back, Lawson, let's check out. We've got our single propane burner set up here. That El Camal y'all saw earlier. Set it up on top of this burner. Grill you a couple smash burgers or a steak. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.